Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Virtual Madrasa. This is our second lesson of Norani Qaida Part 2. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is our first letter. It's Ho. It's green letter and also we stretch it for 2 seconds with Ho. Next one, there are two letters. First letter is Ha, Ha, and then Tha, 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 Ha, Tha. There are also two letters. The first one, Ho, Ho, then Ba, Ho, Ba, Jim, Ta. The three letters. First one, Ta, the middle, Ha, Ha. Third letter is also Ta for 2 seconds. Ta, Ta, Ha, Ta. Now from second line, first letter is, there are also three letters joined together. First letter is Ya, Jim, Ba, Ya, Jim, Ba. First one, Ba, Ho, Ta, Ba, Ho, Ta. This letter is Ta for 2 seconds. Next one, Ha from throat. Ha. There are two letters. First letter name is Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Ba, Ta. Now from next line, first letter is Ya, Ha, Ya, Ha. There are also two letters. The first letter is Ta, then Ha, Ta, Ha. Two letters. The first one, Noon, then Ta, Noon, Ta. That is Ha. Next one, three letters. The first letter is Ya, in the middle, Ha, and then Ba, Ba, Ya, Ha, Ba. Next line, first letter is Ba. This is Ba. Then Ha, Ha, Alif, Alif, Ba, Ha, Alif. Next one, also three letters. Ba, Ha, Mim. In the middle, it's Ha. First one, Ba, Ba, Ha, Mim. This letter is Dal. Next letter name is Zal. There are two letters. First letter name is Jim and Dal. Jim, Dal. This one, first letter is Ho for 2 seconds and also green letter. That's why we read it with bold tone. Ho. Zal. Kha. Zal. This is Ra. Ra. Z. Z. For 2 seconds. Two letters. The first letter is Jim, and this is Ra. Jim. Ra. Kha. Z. Kha. Z. Now we start from here. First line of this page. First letter is Ra, also with bolt on. Ra. Z. Two letters. The first one Ya, and then Ra. Ya. Ra. Ta. Z. Ta. Z. Sin. Sin. This is Sheen. Also, we stretch it for 5 seconds. Sheen. Next one, two letters joined together. First letter is Sin for 5 seconds, and then Lam. Lam. Sin. Lam. Sheen. Lam. Sod. Sod. Dod. Dod. Now for next line, the first letter is Thaw. Yes, this is Ta with bolt on. Thaw. Thaw. Next one, Zaw. Zaw. There are two letters. First letter is Sod, and then Ba. Sod. Ba. Thaw. Ba. And then there are two letters. The first letter name is Dod, and then Alif. Dod. Alif. Next line. First letter is Zo, and then Alif. Zo. Alif. This is Ain from thought. Ain. Ain from thought, middle or center region. Next one. Ghain. Ghain. Hamza. It's Hamza. Then there are two letters. First one, Ain. It's Ain. And then Z. Z. Ain. Z. Next line. First one, Ghain. Ghain. Ra. Ghain. Ra. Two letters joined together. First letter name is Sod. Then Ain. Sod. Ain. Dod. Ghain. Dod. Ghain. Next one, there are three letters joined together. First letter name is Ba. It's a one dot that is below. Ba. Ba. In the middle. Ain. Ain. And third letter is Dal. Dal. Ba. Ain. Dal. There are also three letters. First one, Ta. Ghain. Zal. Ta. Ghain. Zal. Next line. The first, there are also two letters. You want to get the first letter name is Hamza. In that on top, Hamza. And this is Alif. Hamza. Alif. Hamza. Wow. Hamza. Wow. And then Hamza. Yeah. There is Fa. Fa. Qaf. Qaf. Bolt on. Next letter is Wow. Wow. And then next one also two letters. The first one Qaf. Qaf. Then Wow. Wow. With the partial meeting of the lips. Wow. Then also two letters. First letter is Fa. Fa. So one dot on top. It's Fa. Fa originate when inner portion of the lower lips meets the edge of the upper central incisors. Fa. And then Wow. Wow. Wow originate with partial meeting of the lips. Wow. Fa. Wow. Next one. First letter name is Fa. In the middle, Qaf. Third letter is Lam. 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 We study this Lam for 5 seconds. Fa. Qaf. Lam. This lam originates from tongue edge, touching the gums, all upper front teeth, including both upper premolars. And next one, first letter name is Qaf because of its two dots on top and also green letter. That's why we did it with bolt on. Qaf. In the middle, Fa. Fa. Third letter is Lam. Lam. So this is Qaf. Fa. Lam. From here, first one, yeah. Yeah, and then Fa. Fa. Yeah. Fa. Meme. From the dry part of the lips. Meme. Next one is another shape of meme. There is Ha. Meme. Ha. Meme. Lam. Lam. Meme. Lam. Meme. And from last line, first letter is Ta. 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 And then Meme. Meme. And last one, there are three letters joined together. The first letter is Ta. Ta for 2 seconds. Ta. Ta originate with the tip of the tongue touching the gums of the upper two front teeth. Ta. In the middle, Meme. Meme is originate from the dry part of the lips. Meme. And third one is also Ta for 2 seconds. Ta. So this is Ta. Meme. Ta.